Hello guys, today I'm back with another video, and today I'll be sharing with you guys how you can improve your credibility or by getting featured on various different high domain authority sites. So, if you're a business owner and if you're selling something or if you're selling a product or a service, uh, other than selling your service, it is also little important, not very important, but it is also a little important to get featured on various high domain sites so that you can attract new clients, you can attract new customers, you can attract new business opportunities. Because it's very important to be visible. It's very and it's super important to be trustworthy. So what I'm trying to do is like I'm a business owner and it's just been like 2 years, but I do this on a daily basis so that if there's an opportunity for me to share my comments or my perspective, and if it might help people, then it's like a win-win situation. So let me quickly, show you what I do and then how I kind of spread it on other social media sites, and let's see if it can help you. Again, this is like if you are trying to, just do it because you have got some extra 1 hour in your daily, extra 30 minutes in your daily routine, then you can do this. If not, you can hire. Great. If you want to, if you want to get into this full stretch, if you are super concerned about your PR and if you want to get into it like super, you just want to rush into it, then you need to hire a public relations company, or if because you don't have that much of bandwidth or time. But if you're just doing it because you want to, you don't really want to invest a lot, plus you want to share and you're not too much into it, then you don't have to hire anybody. You can just do it on your own by just following this process. So let's get started. So this is something called as HARO. It is like, it basically it connects journalist and it connects the source. The source is nothing but we, who we are trying to kind of give our expertise comment out there to journalists. So it's like HARO, help out a reporter. Let me show you. Help a reporter out. I'm sorry. Yeah. So if you see, oops, here, this is the one. If you just go type Harrow, and this is the company, help a reporter out. You click here. There are many similar websites out there, but I started with Harrow. I started like 1 year ago or something. So what I do, I just go in there. I click on sign up. I'm gonna show you what it does for us, and then last for security. Okay. I just give my all my details in here, and then I click on sign up right here because I've already signed up, so I'm not going through this process. But it is very simple to sign up on this website. I'll post this link in my comment section below. But it is super easy to sign up, and once you sign up, every day, Monday to Friday, you will receive 3 emails because let me show you the subscriptions to make it super easy for you. So again, as I said, we are not really looking to get very aggressive about it. So we'll just go with the basic free version. So you will get like 3 emails 3 times a day. But if you want to bang on, if you want to just spend a lot of time on this, or if you are looking for a career opportunity doing this PR, then you can go for premium, advanced, standard. Just go through it and you'll understand what you want. And I signed up for free because this is not my goal, but I'm doing it just because to boost my credibility. Okay. So I signed up right here, and then if you see my inbox, I receive like 3 emails every day, Monday to Friday. Monday, 3 emails, Tuesday, 3 emails, and so on and so forth. So what happens is that you will get so these are the requests sent by the journalist, okay? So, and you can pick your industry. So while you're signing up, they'll ask you for your industry and everything, and what kind of emails you want to, you want to receive and stuff. So if you see, you can go through all of this. So I am very much interested in business and finance. So what I go through this, And I think, okay, I like this. What's your favorite CEO hack resource or whatever it is? I think this is something I can answer. Or if I think, what's your best leadership tip? This is what I've done last Friday. I answered it. So I just click on this and it brings me down. I read the complete description of this particular request. So this is a request sent by a journalist, and you will be responding to this request. And if the journalist likes your answer, he will connect with you. Make sense? So what you'll do, what's your best leadership tip? Name, category, and where, which media outlet it will be published on. So CEO Blog Nation. So if you personally want to, if you don't want to spend a lot of time writing for some not so happening or not so popular website, then you can just go Google CEO Blog Nation, see and just try to understand if you really want to get featured here or not. And once you think that, oh God, this is great, let me put some of my inputs, then just read the query. You read the query, you see examples, you see the deadline. Deadline is very important. If you email them at 7 p.m. EST, it'll bounce. It'll not go because these are like, it has these deadlines and it will not take any request after that particular time. Then you just click on this email right here. You write down the subject, whatever subject it is. What's your best leadership tip? What's your best leadership tip? Sorry. And hi, you just give your comment, and then they ask you for your link, because the most important or the major, why are we doing this? We are doing this to get a powerful backlink, right? We want our website or we want our profile to be featured on their website because they are getting way more traction than us, and that's how people will go there, people will read the article, they'll hit on the link, and we'll get new audience, we'll get new people kind of looking at our website. So you have to give the link, a picture. So I'm just writing this, you everything will be available here, everything you'll read it, and they'll whatever they instruct, you need to do it, and then hit send. That's all. One suggestion, guys, that never outsource the writing, for grammar, for making it a good, for looking making it look good. You can hire a proofreader, or you can hire a person who can edit your article or your comment. But always, I request that always write it on your own, because it's your comment, you'll be known for that. So XYZ person said this, and that should be super powerful because it is coming from you. If you hire somebody, if you hire me, I'll be giving my perspective, which is not good, because it's yours, it is super 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 yours. So draft your message and send it to a proofreader, or hire somebody on Upwork, and they will see, they will read, and they'll make it proper, proper sentences, grammar, and etc. And then you can send out to this particular, what do you call this particular company or the journalist. This is a super important tip. And then once this happens, I'll tell you, your first feature is going to be super difficult. It took me 6 months maybe to get my first feature. But because I don't spend a lot of time on it, I like weekly, I just reply to like one or two articles weekly. So that's why if it is free, you don't value things. But yeah, I spent very less time on this. And then once, I was super aggressive about it. I got up and I replied to five, six journalist requests, and then one person replied, and this is the person. He said that looks like a good fit. I interview unique, interesting people. So I applied for founder with amazing, interesting story. So looks like a good fit. Blah blah blah. How the idea came up. He asked me a few things. He gave me a Google link. I have written everything. He reviewed. He loved it, and then that's how I got featured here. So it was a great feature. I got many people, coming to my website after this. So it was nice. So I've written this article, it got published. I just shared my story, and it was nice. And I also shared, this is another place where I got featured. And There's one more place I got featured, but I just did not pull up the link. And yeah, once you get featured on sites, what you do? You leverage LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, all the social media tools out there, and try to share this article as much as you can. Share it with your friends on WhatsApp, share it on your Facebook, share it on your Facebook groups, LinkedIn, everywhere, because you want people to read this article. You will be getting traffic from their subscribers or their readers already, but we need to make sure that our readers or our friends, family are also reading this article to boost this article on Google, to get this on top of the Google, on top page of Google. I'm sorry. So that's what I do. Once I get featured somewhere, I start publishing it on LinkedIn. Dreams do come true. I'm super honored to be featured. Blah 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 blah. And I've added it here. And if you let me scroll up once, there's a section called featured on LinkedIn, and I want you guys to leverage that. So wherever I get featured, this is wrong. You're not supposed like give a preference to features, articles where you are trying to comment and stuff, and then the videos and everything. So whatever you get featured on, write it here. So your clients, they come on your LinkedIn profile, they see and they see that, oh my God, this guy has been featured on Forbes, or oh my God, this guy has been featured on CEO Nation. So wow, he's credible. Let's talk to him, something of that sort. So this is what I do. I don't do it every day, to be honest. I don't spend a lot of time on it. But when I think that, okay, I have some time today, let me send out a few expert comments, I get it done. But if you have some time every day, or if you have a virtual assistant, or if you have somebody who's working for you, just ask them to pull out the important topics that they know you can talk about. Then this virtual assistant will send it to you. You'll quickly message or draft it on WhatsApp or whatever it is. You'll just send this, okay, this is the comment, and then the virtual assistant can proofread it for you, then everything, and then you'll send it to the journalist. So this is something you're doing it on your own. But if you want to full again, I'll repeat this, if you want to aggressively improve your PR, then do hire a PR agency, PR companies, and your local PR companies or anything. So yeah, this is a simple small tip. I hope it helps, and thank you so much, guys. I'll come back with another video soon. If you have any doubts, please message me on LinkedIn, message me on YouTube, wherever you can. Message me on Instagram. I'm sorry. But yeah, thank you. Bye bye.